Hi, I'm Liyana from Orangeleaf Consulting, and welcome to another episode of Technically Speaking. So, today we're going to dive into an exciting topic, GraphQL for Mendix. So, what is GraphQL? GraphQL is a way to get and send data between apps and servers more efficiently. It lets you ask for exactly the information you need and get it all in one go, making apps faster and more flexible. Can we use GraphQL in Mendix? Absolutely. Let's walk through a quick demo of setting up GraphQL in Mendix. For this example, we'll be using a free API library from Postman called PokeAPI. First, we need to create a JSON structure to format the response that we are retrieving. Copy and paste the response here, click refresh, and you will see the structure change below. Here, you can rename the items to your liking. Next, we'll create an import mapping to map out the response. Click on the select elements and choose the JSON structure that we just created. Expand all and tick the necessary objects. Click OK. Then, connect an entity that will store the data you fetch from the GraphQL API and map the attributes to match the API response. Now, let's move on to the microflow to display our data. Here, we will place the request body in a string. From Postman, copy the query code snippet and paste it into the request body. Then, we have our call REST activity to configure the API call. In the General tab, you can get the location URL from Postman and place it here. In the HTTP header tab, we'll only use the content type header with the value application/JSON. Then, in the request tab, we'll use the custom request template since we are using our request body as a string. After that, we need to import the response using the import mapping that we created to convert the response into objects. Set it as a return value, and we're good to go. Don't forget to configure the error handling in case the API call is not successful. Lastly, let's display the data we received. We can use Data Grid tool to show the data. Let's use the microflow that we created as the data source, then configure the columns to be displayed. And we're all set. Let's run the project to see the end result. By using GraphQL, you give your app the ability to quickly gather just the data it needs from a menu of options, making it more efficient and precise. It's like having a personal data concierge that ensures everything you need is served up perfectly. Thanks for tuning in to Technically Speaking. I'm Yana, and see you next time. Bye!